this is Jerry Bracamani, and I'm here with two key members behind the scenes working on our city's fleet maintenance, so let's meet them now. All right, I'm going to ask you both, tell us your name, what your role is, and how long you've lived in Lake Havasu City.
My name's Kevin Churko. I've lived here for 36 years now. I'm an equipment mechanic too.
My name's Ed, and I've lived in Havasu for 17 years. I'm an equipment mechanic number one.
Awesome. So, how long have you worked for Lake Havasu City, Kevin?
Total now 20 years. I worked for the Parks Department for a year and a half, and then came over to vehicle maintenance.
Oh, okay. And you, Ed?
I've been here 10 years.
10 years. All right. What's a typical day look like in vehicle maintenance? I'm going to start with you, Kevin.
Oh God, it varies. Like today we have the ladder truck in here. I'm working on street sweepers, VATCons. It all depends. Like normally it's just oil changes to tire repairs, but then we'll have major breakdowns, rebuilding cylinders, installing cylinders, hydraulic leaks, all that kind of stuff.
Sounds exciting.
Day starts out with checking emails, making sure our communications are always open. Mainly just diagnosis, service calls, flat tire repairs, brakes, oil changes, services, mainly preventative maintenance for Tech 1s.
So, what is something the public might not know about this type of job?
Oh, the amount of vehicles we have and all the work that we actually have to do every day to keep everything running. You know, you got DOT requirements for the vehicles. You have the NVF or NFPA standards for all the fire trucks and stuff like that. So we have a lot of guidelines and stuff that we have to keep everything running with.
All right, what do you enjoy most about working for Lake Havasu City, Kevin?
Mostly just, I've been here a long time. Working for the city, I guess every day is a different day. We don't get anything, you know, it's not monotony. We're not just sitting here constantly doing the same exact thing every day. So it's good that we get to come out here. We come outside, do road calls once in a while, so we actually get out of the shop and actually go see some sunlight.
Oh, nice.
I really enjoy the people that I work with. We got a great crew here. We got good supervisors, good support staff, and we actually have a lot of contact with several parts vendors within the city. So it's nice to get to know people at different auto parts stores.
I bet your days go by really fast here, too.
Some days.
Yeah. What advice would you give someone interested in a career in fleet maintenance?
Take automotive in high school, start from the basics, see if this is something that you actually want to do. And then if there's a journeyman, try to go somewhere, become a journeyman, learn the field, and just double check and make sure this is the type of field you want to get into.
Mm-hmm.
Put your best foot forward and learn from your mistakes and ask questions.
Okay, so I have an off-the-wall question, of course. If you could turn any city vehicle into a transformer, which one would it be, and what would the name be? Ed, I'll start with you.
Maybe a police car and call it Enforcer.
The only thing that comes to mind would be the Bearcat that the PD has. That thing's a beast by its own. So to be in a transformer, that thing would be awesome.
Well, thank you both for your city service, for keeping our vehicles running safely and efficiently. Until next time, these are the faces of Havasu.